under your or Mayor Junjun or the Vice President's orders, been calling contractors and threatening them or asking them not to testify?
Para sa inyo, Your Honor, wala.
Okay, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ito po, ma'am, ang letter. Duly received po ito ng inyong opisina. Sa paragraph 1 po, we were at Makati City Hall at 12:53 a.m. for the conduct of bidding scheduled at 2 p.m. We entered elevator B at Makati City Hall to go to the 9th floor, and elevator B got stuck somewhere close to the 7th floor, Makati City Hall. Personnel were not able to get passengers out of the elevator until 1:55 after lowering the elevator back to the ground floor. As a result, we arrived at the 9th floor office accompanied by Makati City Clinic personnel and rescue personnel to submit our bids at 2:02, etc. This letter was addressed to you. Bakit po sabi niyo kanina wala kayong alam? Meron naman po sulat pala na nagkikwento sa inyo.
Your Honor, please, I would like to refer to the other documents because I was appointed administrator, I think, in July 2007, and at present, I am no longer connected with the city government of Makati. Just to refresh my memory, if the appointment, it was July po ang appointment. I was asking the...
So who was the back chairman, ma'am? Because kanina tinanong ko po kayo, May 17, 2007, pasensya na po kayo. Pero sinagot niyo po kasi ako na kayo ang chairman ng...
I'm sorry po, Your Honor, kasi inano ko na yung dates po.
So sino, ma'am, ang chairman?
According to our city attorney, si Mr. Santiago pa ho daw yun.
Okay.
So I just have to refresh my memory because hindi ko po maalala lahat.
So sino po nag-issue sa statement sa media na walang ganitong nangyari? Was it the present city administrator Mendoza?
No, Your Honor, I did not issue anything relative to that.
So is anyone from the Makati City Hall now denying that this happened? Go ahead, the legal officer, sir.
Excuse me.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am the head of the law department, and during that time when the supposed letter was issued, I was a member of the Bids and Awards Committee. And Your Honor, as far as I'm concerned, as far as I know, there is no such incident.
Yes.
Until now, Your Honor.
But the letter was not addressed to the members of the BAC, but the chairperson. Did the chairperson share this letter with you?
I do not remember, Your Honor, having tackled that matter.
So you're not in a position to say that it did or did not happen, but to your knowledge, you do not know of any incident.
Yes, Your Honor. That's correct.
Mr. Chairman, at this point, may we call Mr. Li Chao Po. No? He will make his own introduction, and the relevance is that he was the supplier who wanted to bid, who was trapped into the elevator. He's here in the building, and while the staff is calling him, Mr. Chair.
Let's call Mr. Lin Chao po.
While he is being called, Mr. Chan, to save time, Mr. Canlas, as president of the corporation, and you've done a lot of beautiful buildings all around the country, you're familiar with the building code, is that correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Ma'am Rivera,
Yes.
you're also familiar with the building code.
I have to admit, alam ko po merong building code as far as I'm concerned. Hindi ko po alam lahat ang nasa sa loob because I'm not an engineer, Your Honor, so hindi ko kailangan na alamin lahat yun na
Yes.
kung anong nasa sa loob.
I will not quiz you on it, ma'am, but you do know that under the building code there is a penal provision. Ito po, babasahin ko sa inyo pa.
Okay,
I will
Your
also ask Mr. Canlas. It shall be unlawful for any person, firm, or corporation to erect, construct, enlarge, alter, repair, improve, remove, convert, demolish, equip, use, occupy, or maintain any building or structure or cause the same to be done contrary to or in violation of any provision of this code. Any person, firm, or corporation who shall violate any provision of this code and or commit any act hereby declared to be unlawful shall upon conviction be punished by a fine of not more than 20,000 pesos or by imprisonment of not more than 2 years or both such fine and imprisonment, provided that in the case of the Corporation Firm Partnership Association, the penalty shall be imposed upon its officials responsible for such violation, and in case of the guilty parties and alien, he shall immediately be deported after payment of fine and or service of sentence. No? Are you aware of this, Mr. Canlas?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it true, Mr. Canlas, that you were the one who applied for the building permit for the Makati City building, Makati parking building?
Pache-check ko lang po, hindi ko po alam kung talagang kami po yung nag-apply noon, Your Honor.
Okay. Ma'am, Rivera, kayo
Yes,
po ang
sir.
nakapirma sa building permit.
Opo, as the acting city administrator, I was, but I have to check, Your Honor, kung ano pong date yon para to be sure. Mahirap po sabihin
Ma'am,
kung hindi ko
pirma-
matitignan yung
Sige
records
po.
ko.
Ma'am, pirma lang ba kayo ng pirma kahit na hindi nyo tinitignan yung pinipirmahan nyo?
Tinitingnan ko naman po, Your Honor, kasi dumadaan po din yun sa engineering, lahat po yung proseso, pagkuha ng permit, and other permits for that matter po. Hindi lang po sa building.
So while it is acceptable to me na hindi mo natitignan yung buong libro kung anong ilalagay sa building permit, siguro obvious naman po na kung ano nakalagay sa form, kailangan i-fill out.
Kailangan po, kung ang form nandoon po, kailangan siguro po, i-fill upan po yun. Para
Okay. Back to Mr. Canlas, sir. Meron pong Section 302, Application for Permits, isa po doon, Estimated Cost of the Proposed Work. Tama po?
Tama po, Your Honor.
And even if by phase ang inyong kontrata, you know the estimate of the whole project before you start the project, hindi po ba?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Kapag ka binigay po sa inyo ng architect, hindi ba po for the whole building, hindi lang sa isang phase?
Hindi po ganun po yon, Your Honor. Basta po yung kung ano lang po yung sinasad ng tinetender namin, doon lang po kami, pangalan po nito, nagsisiroin po doon sa bidding
So
namin.
you mean, sir, as the winner for the first phase and then eventually lahat, there was no original plan of the whole building presented to you?
Wala po, Your Honor.
And as a builder in the private sector, you do not find that surprising?
Sa gobyerno po kasi, Your Honor, halos phase by phase po ang trabaho na...
That's true, Your Honor. That's true, Mr. Canlas. But I've asked around, and the DPWH is here. They will show you the whole project, then they will chop according to phases in accordance with magkano ang kaya. But they will never show you just a phase. If they show you just phase 1, eh malay mo kung 2, 3, 4 basements or gaano kalaki yung pundasyon. How do you know how much foundation you will build if you do not know if it's a 20-story or a 40-story?
Hindi po ganon, Your Honor. Talaga pong phase by phase po yung...
Isn't it true, Mr. Canlas, that pag lumampas ka ng 4 floors, iba na yon kasi kailangan mo ng elevator? Tama ko ba yan?
Usually po,
Hindi ba totoo, Mr. Canlas, na after 20 floors, iba din po ang configuration ng structural? Pipilahin ko po dito lahat ng ibang general contractors, mapapaya po kayo sa sasagot nila. Because it is not only usual, it is standard to see the whole project. So, let me go to my main question because I think Mr. Lichapo is...
Can I interject something? Engineer Canlas. So, ito for the record lang, fact 1, no?